Alright, here we go. We are going to go over how to do the DNA sequencing for base busting for Medic. Basically, it looks complicated, but it isn't. Up here, you have your sampled chains, and you need to match them down here. You can see the suitable pairs are AT, TA, GC, and CG. So, as you see here, our first two are GG, so if you wanted to, you could look to see if you have CC in a row. These ones would be it, but then we also have a T, which we'd want to pair with that A. So look at that, 3 new suitable pairs. You're essentially matching these horizontal with these vertical. So I always try to get rid of the very first one. Since we had a G, we'll take that first, just because it is a pain in the butt once you're trying to base bust the rest of them. So same thing here, we've got a couple that we can match up. That was only one, that's fine. And again, you're clicking where the first one is going to go. So for example, this G is going to go here, which means the T would go here, the C would go there, the G would go there. So you're essentially matching the very first number. Now, you can work through, for example, see these 3 A's here? We've got 2 T's here that would match up. So if you go up, about 8, we'll pair those just like that. So it is simple. It's just time consuming, and then once you actually figure out the trick, then it is pretty straightforward. So again, we'll kind of do the same thing here. We've got a couple C's, but I like that there's 2 A's here. We can get rid of all of that. Again, it was just one, but see, we matched it up with the A right here. That's the one that actually got matched. So again, we've got 2 A's. I'm going to put it here, even though it's already paired, which means this C here will start there, but then the 2 A's will fit in with those T's, and look at that, 3 pairs. So you just do that throughout the entire process, and you'll eventually get it done. Just, again, a little time consuming. You usually get one, but as long as you start from the top to the bottom, makes it a lot easier, because the first one with that C means you can only use a G, and since it's the first one you can click, you're pretty much stuck with that. So always go from the top to the bottom, unless you've got a really good pairing down the line, then you can kind of mix it up, but basically just work your way through it. Pretty straightforward once you know how it works. And again, we'll do another one here, get rid of these T's, or at least one of them. Again, that first open T was what we paired it with. Same thing here, we're going to pair that A and the T, even though we've already clicked it. So it doesn't matter which one you click, it's just dropping those 8 into the sequence starting from the first click, down 8. So again here, I want to fill up that T, hit that one, good to go. And then our last one here, a G. See, I've got to go up 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click there, we're done. Simple as pie.